Hey guys, today I wanted to make a blog about the beaches that are around the Miami area. I think a lot of people think of South Florida and they think of Miami and they think that there's only one beach, Miami Beach. But today I'm going to take some time to talk about all the beaches that are within 30 to 1 hour drive from Miami. So I'll start with today. We are at the Sunny Isles Beach, and this beach I would say is about halfway between Fort Lauderdale and Miami. So actually starting the most north from Miami is Fort Lauderdale Beach. This is a cool area because it's a nice long stretch with white sands, but right besides it is A1A, and it's not the populated highway road that you'll find next to Sunny Isles Beach, but it's actually more of a touristic vibe with small shops and restaurants and little pizza stands. So that's a cool place to go with family, and at the nighttime it turns into more of a club music scene. If you drive about 15 more minutes south of Fort Lauderdale Beach, you'll come to Hollywood Beach. Personally, it is my least favorite beach in the Miami suburb area. I find it to be a little bit run down and not updated since like the 70s. It's not as long of a stretch where there's shops and small motels and restaurants. But if you go a little bit further away from that, still on Hollywood Beach, there's a small section that's labeled as a dog beach, but apparently the dog beach, which is just a section of the beach, is only open for a couple hours each day, and you have to pay like $8 a dog. So I wouldn't really recommend going to Hollywood Beach if you're deciding between all of the ones in this video. So here at Sunny Isles Beach, where I am now, this one is where Selena and I frequent the most when we're by ourselves and not with the dogs. This one's convenient because it's actually only like a 5-minute drive from our house, just over the William Lehman Bridge. And it's convenient because there are stores like Walgreens and Starbucks across the main road. So parking can actually be free if you go into these kind of bigger name shops. Now I'd be careful, because if you go to like a mom and pop bagel shop and you go to the beach for multiple hours, they're gonna see that you're not a customer there, so your car might get towed. Additionally, at the very north part of Sunny Isles Beach, there's a parking garage, and it's only $2 an hour to park there. So that's typically what we do, is park in that parking garage, because it's just over the William Lehman Bridge, and we're right here on the beach right away. So, say you want something a little bit exciting. You don't really want to go to the Sunny Isles Beach. You want something different. If you jump in the car and you go about 10 minutes south on A1A from Sunny Isles Beach down the coast, there are actually 3 sections of Haulover Beach. The first section is a nude beach, which we actually haven't even gotten to yet, or probably going to go to ever. The next one, we've been told, is a section for a gay beach. Again, haven't been there. And then finally is a section for a dog beach, which we have gone to very often. So I highly, highly, highly recommend the Haulover Dog Beach. The hours are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day between the lifeguard stands 2 and 3. It's free to bring dogs in. You just have to pay for parking, and that's, I think, one rate all day of like $6. And we've always had a good vibe there. On the weekends there can be like anywhere from 30 to 50 dogs. On the weekdays, there could be as little as 10 dogs. And most people who bring their dogs there are quite polite. Dogs that aren't good with other dogs, people keep on the leash. Dogs that are good to play with others are always in the water playing together. I made 2 videos already about the Haulover Dog Beach. I'll throw a couple of clips in there for you to see. But I would definitely recommend the Haulover Dog Beach area if even if you don't have a dog, if you just want to go to the beach and see some pups, and even if you want to get away from the pups for a little bit, you can go down past the guard stands of 2 or 3. So yeah, check out Haulover Dog Beach for sure. The last beach that I want to talk about in this vlog is Miami South Beach. So I've been living here for 8 months, and I have actually only gotten there 1 time. And because I really think it's super populated and very touristic, parking is extremely expensive. It's about $10 an hour to park anywhere in the city area outside of the beach. Now with that said, I would suggest everybody going there to try it at least once, because it is a massive beachfront, and they have loads of little ice cream stands and watercraft rentals, and there's just a lot of space to spread out, even though there's a lot of people. I'll put a picture in with myself and Selena in front of the iconic lifeguard stand. But like I'd say, my favorite beach in that coastal area from Miami all the way up to Fort Lauderdale would definitely be the Haulover Dog Beach, then Sunny Isles Beach, definitely. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you liked my informal video about beaches along the Miami area.